Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord application is not opening or is not working on your Windows 11 on PC or laptop. So first of all, just need to go to your Microsoft Store. For that, you just need to go to your start menu, type Microsoft Store, or else you can click on this pin app Microsoft Store. And after opening, you just need to click on library from your website. Click on that. After that, click on get update and update all the applications. Once it will done, you just need to close this window. Now you just need to go to your start menu and type over here percentage app data percentage. After that, press enter from your keyboard. After that, find here Discord folder. Here it is, you can see. So just zip delete this folder. Left click on it, tap on this delete and it will delete. Once it will done, try to reconnect your Discord application. So still if you are facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reinstall your Discord application. For that, you just need to right click on start menu, click on settings. After that, click on this apps from your left side. On your right side, you will get installed apps. Click on that. Now you just need to search over here Discord and just click on these three dots and click on this uninstall. After that, you just need to close this window or minimize this window. Now you just need to go to your Microsoft Store and find your Discord application. In the search bar, you can easily search for Discord like this. So here it is, as you can see. Just click on install and after that restart and try to reconnect your Discord and it will fix your problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.